Hi everyone, I'm back again. If you remember in my previous video, which I'm going to put the link in the comment, I talk about how you can reduce your waste by changing the WIP limit, by changing the number of items you have in progress in the entire delivery process. And today I'm going to show you how to calculate this WIP limit to achieve your 100% efficiency. Okay, to calculate our WIP limit, the first thing we need to do is to identify our value stream, which is all the steps we need to take to deliver value to our customer. Then we calculate team efficiency, and then we calculate WIP limit. If you use Jira or similar tools, then you alternatively can generate your cumulative flow diagram or CFD diagram and then figure out what your WIP limit should be, which I'm gonna cover at the end of this video. To identify our value stream, the first thing we need to do is to build the product. When we build the product, then we leave it in QA backlog until someone come and pick up this task and test it. As you can notice, there are two types of time in our value stream. The time that we spend to add a value to our product, and also the time spent until something happened. In our scenario, someone picked it up from QA backlog, so the time basically wasted because no value added to the product. Anyway, we continue creating our value stream, so we need to test the product, and then the product will be waited until we deploy to production. Now we identified our value stream and we know how long exactly we spent on each step. Now it's time to calculate team efficiency. To do that, we need the total value adding time, so in our scenario 5 days, divided by total cycle time, that the whole time we spend in our value stream. So again, in this scenario, 15 days, and that gives us team efficiency, which is 33%. So now we need to calculate our WIP limit. So imagine we have a team with 5 team members, and if you're running Scrum, that's your dev team. Divided by efficiency, that gives us the total number of items which have been in progress, so our WIP limit at the time. Because the number of team members are fixed, so the only way to improve efficiency is to reduce WIP limit, which I'm going to show you shortly. After we calculate our total WIP limit in the entire process, it's time to calculate WIP limit per step. So the first thing we need to do is to calculate team efficiency per step, multiply by total WIP limit in the entire process, and that gives us the WIP limit per step. So as you can see, we had more items in progress at the same time, and that means each developer worked on multiple items at the same time. So developers had lots of context switch, and that's the root cause of this low efficiency. Alright, so now if we want to achieve 100% efficiency with the same team, then we shouldn't have more than 5 items in the entire process. And that means we shouldn't have more than 3 items in development, 1 in QA and 1 in deploy, which means one person in the team only work on 1 item at a time, and that will be 0 context switch, and that gives us 100% efficiency. If you want to use CFD diagram, then you generate it from Jira or any other tools that you use. Look at your cycle time, and that gives you how many items you had in progress at the time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share your experience with us. Let me know if you have any question or comment. Thanks for watching.